So here's the tea. So we're doing an all-vegan Friendsgiving for a ton of people. I think there's gonna be like 14 people. And instead of the usual potluck situation, I'm gonna be popping off and making every single thing, and everyone's gonna pay me. We're gonna take you through my journey and show you how to make stuff, kind of. Because there's not really any recipes for like almost anything. There's a few here and there, but mostly it's gonna be us winging it, so cute. So what we're gonna do first, before we get started, is me and McGee are gonna be tasting this nasty low budget wine.
Okay.
And we're gonna do a taste test of this $10 Shutter Home Sweet Red. Could be cute.
Sutter home.
Oh. I literally have thought that it was Shutter Home my whole life. And then this orange Smirnoff. And then maybe make a cute little cocktail before we get started. Here's this. Okay. This is probably fine. Ready? Cheers. Yum.
That's good.
Yum. It's fine. I hate wine. She's not bad. Cute. Love her. Alright, I'll give you one last. Alright, ready? Cheers.
It's kind of good.
It's fine. The problem with adding citrus to vodka, in my opinion, is that it just turns into hand sanitizer. Like serving me Bath and Body Works, like Summer Explosion. You know what I mean? But it definitely could be worse. She's not bad.
You can at least like taste the orange.
Yeah,
Tell it's
definitely,
orange.
definitely. It's
good.
it's giving me what it needs to. Cute, love that. That was so fun. Okay, first we're making pumpkin pies. I am using a recipe, which is surprising and off-brand for me, but we'll probably still do our own spin on it. This one is on Pinterest, a blog called Nora Cooks. Cute, we love her. I feel like, not positive, but I'm pretty sure I've made this recipe before and it slaps. So we'll see, fingers crossed. So I'm actually quadrupling the recipe. I'm making 4 pies instead of 1 pie. Obviously, y'all know math. And it first asks for 1 15-ounce can pumpkin puree. And if you're not using Libby's, you're fucking up. So try again. So and everything's going into a blender, by the way. Also, if you don't have a Vitamix, you're fucking up. Sorry. Try again. All right. So I'm doing 2 29-ounce cans of pumpkin puree instead of 115. That's 2 ounces less. Wow, she knows math. 2 ounces less than it should be, but it'll be fine. It's not that serious. That's hella pumpkin, huh?
Yeah.
It's like half that blender. Fucking pumpkin.
Last time I put that much stuff in my blender, or my food processor actually, it leaked all over the counter.
Oh no! I remember that. All right. Recipe calls for 1 cup full-fat coconut milk. So I'm using 2 cans of 13.5-ounce coconut milk. Let me do the math. Quadrupling that would be, what's 8 times 4?
32.
32. This is 31. Wait, no. 27. Close enough. I'll add a splash of regular milk just to top it off. You know what I'm saying? Oh. We're getting close. I mean, there's no getting close. We're like actually there. Does this need to be made in a blender? I'm gonna judge this and see if there's any air pockets, because there might be. There's not, so we're gonna do it in a bowl. Everyone just stay calm. Okay. We're just gonna put this to the side, pretend like that didn't happen. If you're quadrupling the recipe, don't use a blender. So we have pumpkin puree, not enough coconut milk. We'll just see how the consistency is and add more milk if we need to. A cup brown sugar, which means I need 4 cups brown sugar. Fuck. 24 ounces. 8 ounces in a cup. That's enough. Right? Wait.
You need 4 cups?
Yeah.
And that's 24 ounces?
Yeah, 8 ounces in a cup. 16.
So you'd need 32, right? Because 8 times 4 is 32.
Yes. So we're lacking some. So I'll just add the difference with regular sugar. Not that big of a deal. It's a lot of fucking sugar. So that means I need 6? No. 8. I need another cup. I'm lacking a cup? Whatever. So I'll just do a cup of regular cane sugar. It's fine. Sugar's sugar, you know? Okay. Next up, it wants me to put in cinnamon and ginger and all this other bullshit. Just buy pumpkin pie spice. You'll be fine. It's got a bunch of shit in it. It's got cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and sulfiting agents, bitch. Listen up. What did she ask for? What did she ask for? Cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cloves, salt, which we'll add salt, but cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice. Same thing. Don't do all that. Anyways, and this is 4. How much do I need of each? Listen, teaspoons mean nothing to me. Just do it. Ew, it's like a Nike ad. Listen, it's a lot of pie. You need hella, okay? Seriously, like not joking, probably like almost 1/4 of a cup of seasoning. Deadass. We'll do salt. I'll just do like 2 big pinches. Anytime you're making something sweet, you need to add salt as well. 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just did 11 because each one of those was heaping and it adds up, so we subtracted 1 tablespoon. And this is a lot of cornstarch. So now we do our best to mix it up since we didn't have a blender. And we put, oh, it's a great start. Bitch. I may have overfilled a tad. Now we put these thotties in the oven at 350. Ow. Go. On a baking sheet, bitch. Let's see.
Wow.
Whoa, that 4th one really popped off, huh?
Oh my gosh.
I'm wondering if I should go make the other ones thinner. Because I can. Don't worry about it. I think that's good enough. Oh. Don't worry about that. Oh, they have to bake for an hour, and we're gonna switch them halfway through. You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
I was
Sorry.
recording you.
Okay. Then let me take out that other two.